Shalom, Israel. Hey, I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Hashem Rakakwadash. The honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Shalom to the elect. It's 3:41 in the morning. As you can see, Esau doing his emergency alert system. Because this is how Esau moves, man. You know, he's always moving, bright and early in the morning. So that was it, man. I noticed that. I thought I'd do a real quick lesson on it. All right, the scriptures say we are not. Salakia. As the scriptures say, we are not ignorant of Satan's devices. Just grab that. Thought it was 6 Corinthians. Let me see. Oh, 2 Corinthians 2:11. Lest Satan should get an advantage of us, for we are not ignorant of his devices. Shalom.